Hey guys, want to save some money? Want to turn this off? Maybe your brake pad sensor just got worn. Maybe you waited too long. Maybe yours looks something like this. Don't overpay. I'm gonna help save you some money. I sourced mine from NAPA Auto Parts. It was in the system, I was able to look it up. I was quoted to have the Land Rover Dealer do front and rear rotors and pads of almost $2,000, labor and all. Ridiculous. So I was like, well, for no more than about 300 bucks, I could do get all the parts. And I was gonna do it, but there's this little thing of not having a diagnostic machine to put it into service mode. So with the help of a local guy that I trust, went in and did the job for me in about an hour and a half. And but in so doing, this little sensor, the brake pad wear sensor, it broke. And so now I am gonna go ahead and change it out. Thank you. And so here we go. Let's get into it. Okay, so basically you can see the little notch. Get down here where we can see right here in the pad, and then this basically clips right in there, and that little clip just fell out, but it's toast. As you can see, we've got some serious issues there. So this little red wire here has got a series of little grommets that hold it in place, and it goes back around here. You've got more grommets that hold it in place, and then it's gonna go back and around, and then it should come back down, and it should be right in this area right here. And so we're gonna pop that out, and we may have to get one of these in front of the other one. I'm just not sure exactly which one. So what I'm gonna do now is start unplugging it from here to give myself a little bit of room. So I'm gonna have to move one of these out of the way to be able to get to this other one. Not too terribly hard, but it'll take just a little finagling. Anyway, all right. Now get all this stuff loose. I'll come back and show you exactly what it looks like before we disconnect that end. Alright, we've got our cable in question undone. It is the one, it's right back here, and I can't, I'm sure I've got one of the little release tools around here, but I'm just gonna take some diagonals, and I'm just gonna cut the back of this off, because, well, we don't need that anymore because we've got a new one. So anyway, that should, yeah, get it to come on out. It'll give us enough room to kind of see what we're working with. Yeah. Anyway, so now we're gonna just unclip this, hook the other one up, route it back, and then at the very last we are going to clip it back into the brake pad. Okay, super simple. Get a really small flat edge screwdriver, and you're just gonna stick in here and carefully just kind of wiggle it back and forth, and you will release the pin. So at this point, what I'm gonna do is now follow the path, and I'll make sure that I don't skip any steps here. We'll get it back up to that point, and the last thing we'll do is make our connection, and then stick it back through with the little retainer, because it's got the retainer actually made back onto it. So there, do that last. Yeah, I know we missed that, but anyway, back in place. All right, I got one. Looks like we got to put that here. Looks like we're at here. Maybe also. There we go. Sweet. There we go. Put it all back in here. All right. Tire back on and we'll check, make sure that light went off. All right, let's start her up and hopefully that connection was good and everything. So let's ha! Heck yeah. As you can see, we got that turned off. All right, thanks for watching. Just all I'm trying to do is just save you guys some money. So, you know, you can do this stuff. And I have a feeling I'm probably going to end up doing a couple of more of these videos just related to the maintenance that you can do. Because like your DEF fluid, I've already made that video. But I want to go over exactly what the dealer charged me for a 30 like the 30K or 35K service when it was in the other day. It's astronomical, man. It is crazy expensive. And they charge like an hour to change an air filter. That's insane. So we're gonna break that bill down, and I just want to show just how fast, just with some basic tools, you can do a lot of this stuff. There's no need to have to pay that kind of price. Anyway, thanks for watching. Tune back into us later. Hopefully here very soon. I'm gonna get some more Land Rover content going on the channel. It's been a few months, so just bear with me. We got a lot of stuff planned. Thanks for watching. See you next time.